your subscriber payments. These are the payments that the subscribers make to you. This includes everything from their subscription accounts, their on-demand payments, which are in-app purchases, and all payments that can be tied to them. So I'm currently in the account settings page of a subscription service. This service is called Emaily API. So this is an API service. Currently have a couple of subscribers. If we jump into the payments tab, we can see a payment of $30.60, and this payment is tied to their account's payment. So the admin of an account can always come into the account settings page to see all the payments that they've made for their accounts from the beginning of time, including payments that they make in your applications, on-demand payments. So to get a receipt or to do whatever they need to do, they can always view the payment, which takes them to a details page that has, all the details of the payment number, the payment ID, the charge type, every single thing, who made the payment, right? And in this case, this was a subscription account. Payment, then it's the admin who signed up. If we scroll down, we can see that this is a payment for this subscription service. It was $30.60. This is a recurring payment that recurs every 30 days. We can see here that we charge them 60 cents of tax, along with 30, which makes it $30.60. And this tax is just based on the configuration that the owners of the service have configured in their in-house payments module. So if your customers wanted to see the receipt, all they will need to do is just click on the receipts to see multiple receipts at a time, or click on the receipt button to see the individual receipt. All right, so here you have it. They can basically print out their receipt if they wanted to. So, in a case where there are refunds, so on this platform, payments made by your subscribers can be refunded by you. These refunds could be partial or complete refunds. In a situation where there are refunds, the breakdown of the refunds are going to appear over here at the refunds table. So in one snapshot, your customers can see all their payments. They could view the minutes of each payment. They could get their receipts, look at their refunds. And this right here is just, a really, really nice feature for your subscribers so that they can track their spend with you. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.